So 2005 Honda CRV UK version. This is a follow-up to my previous version video where I had some play in my CV joint on the right side. This part here is the center part, or goes to the center shaft of the transmission, and then on the other side is the goes to the wheel or the hub. So when I have this, I have a little bit of play in here going up and down. I noticed that it's all oily on the outside, so the grease inside was kind of probably shooting out of there somehow. I didn't see any cracks in here, but and there's some little wiggle back and forth when you try to twist it back and forth. I noticed the other oil. I'll show you here, hold on. So there's oil. Let me get some good light maybe. You can see how that is all dirty, sprayed up in there. This all came out of, because I had some wet down here. I was wondering why it was wet. I cannot find any leak, but all of this is just sprayed from that boot. So I'll get a new CV axle. This is all tight in here, the center shaft coming out of the transmission. I may replace this seal right here though, just since I have it apart.